Hello and welcome to today's video. If you're someone who values privacy while enjoying your favorite songs, then this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to make your listening activity private in the Spotify mobile app. Let's jump straight into the instructions. First, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then select Settings and Privacy from the menu that appears. After that, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Social. Finally, look for the option labeled Listening Activity and toggle it off to make your activity private. Once you've done this, other users will no longer see what you're currently playing. And that's it. You've successfully made your Spotify listening activity private. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, comment, or subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.